Hello again. Given the speed of change and the new dynamics of the workplace, it is not uncommon that a leader might find themselves being challenged not only by their superiors with the strategy from management, but equally by their team members when they disagree with the direction of the company. In this simulation, that is precisely what's going to happen. You have received instructions from the management of the team to implement a new reorganization, and surprise, surprise, your team disagree with the objectives and how the reorganization is handled. The objective of this exercise is to visualize how to handle conflict within the team when there is a mismatch between the views of your superiors and the views of your team.